Hello and welcome back to How to Repair an Accordion. We're now on to the bellows, which are in pretty good condition, but this accordion is, well, it could be anything as much as 100 years old, so these look and smell pretty horrible really. The binding on the bellows is in pretty good condition, although we have got a couple of spots where I need to do a tiny repair. Sort of round here, one of these is starting to break away. Anyway, we're going to do that second. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean these bellows, and the way that we do that is, first of all, use a brush to try and get the bits of dirt as much as possible out of in between the bellows, and then we're going to use, it's actually carpet foam. It will do upholstery as well, so you spray it in and let it evaporate, and then let it dry. The other thing it does, it'll make the accordion bellows smell a lot better than they do. There's nothing worse than playing an accordion with really stinky bellows because of age. So they'll give it a fresh sort of smell. We won't be able to get all of the dirt out, but we'll get as much as we can out. To clean the insides of these areas with the carpet fresh, what we do is, so we spray inside here. Now the foam will dry quite quickly, and then because we want it to look even, we just rub it, make sure it gets right the way down into the cracks down the bottom there. Like that. And then we'll leave it to dry. So we're about we waited 20 minutes, and here is the cleaned and dried area. I now need to do the rest of these, and I will particularly do it where we've got stains. As regards the bellows, they smell great and they look great, so that's worked really, really well. And there you go. So next up is to put them all back together. Doesn't smell like an old, musty old accordion anymore. So thanks very much for watching. If you like what I do, hit the subscribe button and that little bell, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much. Bye bye.